Hello, my name is Seamus Lyons and I'm the coordinator of the Technology Design Engineering department here at Galway Technical Institute. Within this department we have four courses that might be of interest to you. We have the Apprenticeship Preparatory Programme, the Pre-Apprenticeship course. We have the Construction and Civil Engineering course. We have the Computeraided Design and Architectural Technology course, and we have the Construction Renewable Energies Engineering course. So any one of those courses might be of interest to you. Our first one is the Pre-Apprenticeship, the Apprenticeship Preparatory course, and within that it's a practical based course. So maybe if you're out there at the moment and you're in school, or you're doing your leaving cert this year, you're finishing school and you're unsure whether you want to do an apprenticeship or not, this course will definitely answer for you whether you want to do an apprenticeship or whether you want to go on to college or what you want to do. It'll give you the option of that, and it'll decide that for you yourself. So if you're on the fence, you're unsure which apprenticeship you want to do, it'll decide that for you. The pre-apprenticeship course will also help you make the decision of which apprenticeship to do, because it's very hard when you're in school to decide which apprenticeship you want to do. Maybe you're considering electrical, maybe you're considering plumbing, maybe you're considering carpentry and joinery, or whatever apprenticeship along the lines of the construction trades you're interested in. The course will decide that for you. So you're getting a little bit of experience of carpentry and joinery, plumbing and electrical and so on throughout the course of the year. So at the end of the year, you yourself will definitely know whether you want to do an apprenticeship, and also you will also know which apprenticeship you want to do. So that gives yourself great confidence going forward. It also gives you the opportunity to find a sponsor and an employer, because you're so many days a week within GTI, and then the rest of the time you're on work placement. So it gives you the opportunity to find that you're out on site, and also employers to be looking to take it on somebody as an apprenticeship. The fact that you will have the basics covered within GTI is a big benefit to them, and they like that, and that you're kind of ready to go. The next course we have then is the Construction Civil Engineering course, and the Construction Civil Engineering course is geared for if you're out there and you're unsure whether you want to do engineering or not next year, and maybe you've got it, you're doing it, you're filling it out for the CO this year, but you're not quite sure whether you want to progress on or not. This course covers that. It covers all the aspects to do with engineering and that. And an optional module on the course is engineering maths, which prepares you for going on to do civil engineering for further in college or university. The next course we have then is the Computeraided Design and Architectural Technology course, and as its name suggests, that's based around design and CAD. So you're designing house plans, drawing up house plans, designing them, and you are drawing all the details and that. So if you're interested in maybe in AutoCAD, or if you're interested in house design or that definitely will be the course for you. The final course we have then is our Construction Renewable Energies Engineering course, and of course is very topical at the moment with climate emergency that we're in at the moment. And within that we're studying the 5 types of renewable energy engineering. So we're looking at solar, wind, geothermal, hydro and biomass. So we're looking at the 5 renewable energy sources, study those in detail. We're also looking then at passive house, so about passive house, which is a new construction term, and within that we're looking at air tightness, thermal mass, we're looking at also to do with thermal insulation and all of those aspects. That's the 6 key principles really of passive house construction. So that's a very brief overview of the 4 courses we have within this department. The bottom line is that most of the courses, especially the pre-apprenticeship, it's probably 80% practical. The other ones, the construction civil and the construction renewable and the CAD based course, all have an element of practical, probably about 20% of practical, and then they have a good basis in AutoCAD, so that a good chunk of the construction civil engineering and construction renewable and construction the CAD architectural technology course, the kind of AutoCAD module is kind of core to those really. So you're using AutoCAD, which again is one of the key tools out there in the construction trade. A part of all the courses, of course, again, is surveying, where we look at it, surveying sites and being able to measure and survey different buildings and so on. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact me. My email is seamus.lyons@gretb.ie at any time.